This right here, look at this sandwich. This is a buffalo chickpea sandwich featuring thrilling bacon, a plant-based bacon, and I am excited. Welcome to my series of I Can Feed You Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner for 20 bucks. And when I say I got my money's worth on this sandwich right here, it was buffalo chickpeas with thrilling bacon, and it was a plant-based bacon that was gifted to me. I had seen it all over the internet, and it lives up to its name. It is so delicious, and it reminds you of bacon. But other than that, everything else was budget friendly. I am so excited for this sandwich. I made a little mustard maple mayonnaise. I used the bacon. I had avocado. I had tomatoes. I had onions, vegan sourdough bread. It was one for the books. And you should know one thing about me. I love a good sandwich. And now that it's becoming fall, this is something that is definitely going to be on the menu more and more. I'm going to make more sandwiches because they're filling, they're good for you, and they don't take up a lot of time. Look at this. Oh my God. I did that. Yes, ma'am.